Most people get this wrong. They think Borrowlead is just another instant loan app. The surprising truth in 2026 is that Borrowlead has evolved into a multi-purpose financial platform, offering early wage access, installment plans, and budgeting tools to help you manage money more effectively. Here's how it works. Borrowlead allows you to access a portion of your earned wages before payday, often within hours, which can help cover emergencies or urgent bills without turning to high-interest credit cards. In addition, Borrowlead offers installment plans for eligible purchases, splitting payments into smaller, manageable portions so you can stay on budget. The app features a user-friendly dashboard where you can monitor advances, track upcoming payments, and analyze your spending habits. Push notifications and reminders help you avoid missed payments and late fees, which is key for maintaining good financial habits. The catch: overusing Borrowlead can get expensive. Frequent advances or missed payments can accumulate fees quickly. It's important to use the app as a temporary solution, not a long-term crutch. Tips for responsible use: 1. Only request advances or installments you can realistically repay. 2. Enable notifications to stay aware of upcoming payments. 3. Maintain a small emergency fund to reduce reliance on Borrowlead. Who benefits most? People with steady incomes who occasionally need short-term cash or want help managing larger purchases. Those with irregular income or poor repayment habits may find fees outweigh the benefits. In conclusion, Borrowlead in 2026 is a practical, flexible financial tool, but only if used responsibly. Track your repayments, plan ahead, and treat it as a short-term solution. Subscribe for honest app reviews and actionable money tips to stay in control of your finances.